Yeokou Women's Casual Full Zip-Up Sherpa Lined Hoodie Sweatshirt Jacket Coat. Stay warm and stylish with the Yeokou Women's Casual Full Zip-Up Sherpa Lined Hoodie. This jacket features a convenient zipper fly closure, 2 cozy hand pockets, ribbed hem cuffs, and an adjustable drawstring. Hood. Key features: fully fleece lined. Enjoy ultimate comfort with a soft fleece lining that extends through the sleeves, hood, and pockets for extra warmth. Winter and autumn essential. Designed for regular fit, this thick, heavyweight windbreaker is perfect for chilly days, providing windproof protection and a super soft feel. Versatile styles. Available in a variety of solid colors, including black, dark gray, light gray, red, wine red, and dark blue. Sizing. Information. All items are in US sizes. Please refer to the size chart in the product description to find your perfect fit. Elevate your winter wardrobe with the Yeokou Women's Casual Winter Warm Sherpa Lined Zip-Up Hooded Sweatshirt Jacket.